Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix the download complete not working problem in eFootball 2027. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your eFootball apps. Whenever you open the eFootball apps and try to play the game, the download gets stuck and doesn't continue. So without wasting any time, let's fix this download problem. After that, now go back your home screen. First, check your internet connection and tap on airplane mode. Now tap on turn on and tap on turn off. After that, now go back your home screen. Now tap and hold the eFootball apps icon. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. After that, now tap on force stop and OK. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your eFootball apps. Now tap on search bar and search for eFootball apps. Now tap on eFootball apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your eFootball apps. Please wait a moment, the download may take a few minutes. Now select your language and tap on done. Now select your country and tap on next. Now set your date of birth correctly. Now tap on done and tap on next. Now tap on confirm. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.